Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be making shin armour using this plate steel here. I've gone ahead and taken some regular old shin guards and laid them out flat and drawn a trace around them. Now I'm going to cut them out of metal and hopefully make some nice looking metal shin guards. Alright, here's what the shin armour looks like on. It guards my shins pretty well, covers pretty much all of the shin, and you could take a lot of hits here. There's also some nice padding on the inside as well, with a nice thick steel plate. So if I was to take a hammer and hit myself in the leg, Normally that would be incredibly painful, but the plate spreads it out and absorbs pretty much everything, so you barely even feel a thing. So I now have shin armour, or I guess you'd call them half greaves or whatever. Yeah, shin armour complete.